Bubuh Injin. Black rice pudding. A main dish from Indonesia. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Mix the black and white glutinous rice, and rinse under running water to remove starch. Step 2. Place the rice, the pandan leaves and 3 cups of water into a heavy pan and simmer, stirring occasionally. The mixture will turn a deep purple color while cooking. Step 3. Meanwhile, chop the 1/4 cup of palm sugar, and add it to the 1/4 cup of water. Bring the ingredients to a boil and simmer for about 5 minutes to make a syrup. Step 4. When the rice has simmered for about 30 minutes, add the palm sugar syrup to the cooked rice, and continue to simmer gently until most of the liquid has evaporated. Be careful that the mixture does not boil dry. Step 5. The rice and syrup will now
Serve
be
portions
a dark
of the
purple
cool
color.
black rice pudding
Allow
drizzled
rice to
with
cool
coconut
before
cream.
serving. Garnish with slices of banana. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.